Hi guys and dolls. I just was playing around the other day and I created a really nice eye look and I wanted to share that with you. I know I said I wasn't really going to go back to makeup, but I did. And so this is hopefully a really nice, quick, easy, I called it a dead rose look in my mind because it's just a lot of dark reds and a little bit of blackish brownish colors thrown in there too. And yeah. I don't have a lot else to say, so I hope you enjoy. And with that, I hope you have a good day, and Godspeed. Alright, this is a really fast, easy look. I'm just using the Faced Just Peachy palette. And with a nice fat brush, I'm going to take the color Just Right and put it all over my eye up into the crease and a little bit past it. I'm going to take a kind of flat tip brush, and I'm going to take peach sangria and just put that nicely down on the lid. Then after the base colors are done, we take a crease brush and the last color chocolate dipped, and that is going to go nicely into the crease. And almost done. And then I'm gonna take a bigger, fluffier crease brush and just blend the help. And then you can freehand a winged eyeliner. Good for you. I can't. I'm going to take some tape and put it down so that I can attempt a winged liner. And I'm not going anywhere today, so I don't care if they're even or not, but usually I care. One winged eyeliner. Nice. Eyeliner's done. Second winged eyeliner. Nice. Then with that being done, I'm just gonna really quick. And then take whatever mascara you have handy